Hey guys, today's Friday and I got my every plate box. So let's see what our meals are for next week. What happened, Eunice? So these are the meals for next week. And I think this is wrong, so I am going to email them because I am sure I did not pick burgers. And I believe I did pick that one. So let's see. Of course, everything is between the ices and everything is still nice and cold. So here are the meats: boneless pork chops, Italian sausage, ground beef, and the boneless chicken. Oh, I'm sorry. Boneless chicken, the ground beef, Italian sausage, and boneless pork chop. Alright, and that is it. Alright, so let's see. I like to separate my meals. Okay, so something is wrong because I got pasta and none of the recipes ask for pasta. So we got green beans, yes. The pork chop, the two Yukon potatoes. Chicken stock, apricot jam, Dijon mustard, sour cream. So that's this one. Then you are 2 Yukon Gold, 1 sweet potato, red onion, the carrots, chicken stock, the garlic, so they send the whole thing of garlic, chicken stock, garlic, red onion. It says rosemary, but I don't see any rosemary. So I see garlic powder. The rest, my guess, is for the other recipe, but make sure it's not in here somewhere. Here's another recipe. I guess I had 4 meals, so I gotta go back because they still gave me the pasta and I'm not sure why. So the garlic powder goes with this white bread. Yeah, this whole kit is off. Sour cream, the Yukon Gold, alright, so let's finish this one up. This one is missing the rosemary. I don't have any rosemary. Then even if I go and I say, okay, well, the burgers would be the Yukon potatoes, the buns, the shredded jack, the garlic, barbecue sauce. And there is no barbecue sauce. And a yellow onion, and there is no yellow onion. So this is a mess. So even if I go back, I'm missing the rosemary. Now the meatball one, it looks more like it because you have the zucchini, the golden potatoes. It says white bread, but I don't have white bread. And soy sauce and sour cream, which is right here. I don't need the cheese. The garlic powder, yes. So I'm missing the white bread. And I'm missing the rosemary. And I'm missing almost everything from here. So I will email them and I will let you guys know what they say. So I will not be posting this video today. I thought I was. So today is Friday and we got our first box for starting our September budget for groceries. So I've gotten, this is my second box and this is the first time this has happened. So I am going to separate these and put them in little baggies. But since I'm missing stuff, I'm really curious on what they say. Everything was potatoes, but so far, still okay. Let's see what they tell us. So I'll come back maybe tomorrow if they email me back. Thank you. Okay, so I'm back. So I just finished getting off the phone with EveryPlate, and apparently, so what happened was they gave me the wrong recipe card. I am missing the jam out of... missing my one of these jams, the apricot jam for the pork chop. This is the wrong recipe, obviously. That was supposed to be the peony recipe. This one was missing the rosemary, and this one is missing the cherry, no, not the cherry jam, a piece of bread that we're supposed to toast up, I guess, to put in the meatballs. So all they did was they credited me for each item that was missing from each card. I did get ground beef. I got ground beef and I got the buns. I got ground pork, I think it was. And I got the buns for this recipe, but I didn't get nothing else. So I'm okay with this because I did get the meat for this one. For the ziti one, and the only thing I'm missing is like tomato paste, sour cream, and a bell pepper. So I'm gonna cheat and I'm probably gonna make my own little recipe out of this. Like instead of bell pepper, I'll probably use my Puerto Rican sofrito. and I have tomato paste and I have sour cream, so I can still continue using this recipe. For the rosemary, I do have dry rosemary that I can use, so I'm okay with that. This one was the jam. I do have, no, this one was the bread. I do have bread, so I'm okay with this one. This one, I'm missing the apricot jam, but I do have jams in the refrigerator. It might not be apricot, but I do have like 8 different kinds of jams. So I'll use one of those. It will just taste differently. And then the recipe card that's missing, I can actually go into my app and see the recipe. So these were the ones that I ordered. Sorry, you probably can't see it. So these are the 4 that I ordered, and this is the one that they messed up and didn't send me the card. But I can go in here and see what I need and how to follow the directions down here. So I really don't need the card. I'm gonna just, instead of pepper, I'm gonna use my sofrito. We did get garlic, we got the pasta, we got the chicken sausage mix, and we did get the Parmesan cheese. So the only thing I'm missing is cream cheese and tomato paste, and that I have in my refrigerator. So I'm still gonna do my little different style of this recipe. They did give me like a $30 credit. So basically these meals came up to like 10 bucks, because I think we spent $43.91 for this week. So all because of the stuff that didn't come in, they gave me a $30 credit. So I actually spent $10, which that's not bad. The stuff that I was missing is petty, and I have it, so I'm not mad. I'm okay. Let's see what happens next week. I'm still okay with them because they were the cheapest one. Not everybody's perfect, right? So I'm sure they bound to make some kind of mistake. If you're looking for a perfect world out there, you're in the wrong world, okay? So I'm okay with all of this. I'm just gonna bag these up. I'll show you what I do. So keep on watching. And that's it. I will see you guys starting on Monday with these new recipes and my little twist, I guess, for the items that I'm missing. Thank you for watching. God bless. And don't forget to subscribe.